In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check all reports in Docusign. Whether you're managing a small business or just need to stay on top of your document management tasks, having a good understanding of how to access and evaluate these reports can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, we need to head over to the Docusign website. You can do this by opening your web browser and typing in docusign.com. DocuSign is renowned as the #1 solution in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, making it a powerful tool for keeping track of your digital documents. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, your next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your account credentials. If you haven't done this step for a while, this is where you'll enter your username and password to gain access to your account. It's a straightforward process, but make sure you remember your login details to avoid getting locked out. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. This is essentially your control center for all things related to your DocuSign account. Here's where you have quick access to your most frequent tasks, such as sending documents for signature, managing your templates, and, most importantly for us today, accessing your reports. Now, to proceed with viewing your reports, you'll want to navigate to the section dedicated to reports. Although the layout might vary slightly based on updates or personalized settings, you should generally find a reports option within your account dashboard. It might be listed under additional options depending on your account setup. Once you've located and clicked on reports, you should see a variety of report options and dashboards available. For our purposes, focus on finding an option labeled all. This specific section will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the reports you need. By clicking on all, you'll access a complete listing of the available reports. This is where you can delve into specific details such as transaction histories or signing progress, depending on the nature of your reports. Taking a moment here, remember that understanding and effectively utilizing this feature enables you to maintain a clearer picture of your document flow and signing activities. It's a crucial part of ensuring that your document processes are running smoothly and efficiently. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough of how to check all reports on DocuSign. Practicing this step-by-step guide will not only enhance your productivity, but also give you more control over your document management tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more features on DocuSign that can further streamline your workflow.